Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Amazfit T-Rex and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the select button. Then you need to press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu, like this. And here you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also open the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen to open the app menu, scroll down, tap on the settings, and here you have watch face settings. You can tap on it and it will open the watch face menu, as you can see. You can also use the phone app to change the watch face. So let's bring our phone right here, open the Zap app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on profile right here, then select the Amazfit T-Rex. I have two of them because it was paired one time before, as you can see. So I'm gonna select this one, the one with the battery. Here tap on watch face settings and you have a list of watch faces you can apply on your watch. Find the one you like and tap on it, for example this one, then tap on sync watch face. And after a few seconds the watch face should be synced with your watch and should be applied on it also. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.